Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
Meteorologist Kate Bilo's in the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere. So, Kate, I guess this cooler morning start is going to be now a thing that we're going to get used to.
You know it is, Jim, because our normals are dropping. Our normal lows are in the low 40s now. So this is pretty typical, actually, for late October, early November. And as we head toward the winter, of course, it's just going to keep getting colder than average temperatures, or our average temperatures getting colder each and every day. So this is kind of just going to be the new norm, basically, to have frost advisories, at least until we get that first frost in the city. We have a frost advisory this morning, but I don't think it's going to get quite cold enough, at least in Philadelphia, for frost to form. And you can see off to the south, even though frost advisories are still in effect for South Jersey and Delaware, a lot of cloud cover, at least well off to the south, has kept temperatures there in the 40s. Where the coldest spots are over our north and west suburbs, where you see kind of the darker blue. It's currently 34 in Reading. It's in the 20s in the Poconos. So there are parts of Delaware County, parts of Lower Bucks and Montgomery counties that I think will see that first frost today, and thus the end of the frost advisory season in some spots. But we'll keep issuing them, or the National Weather Service will keep issuing them until that first frost happens. So again, frost advisory this morning. If we don't get any frost in the spots that don't, I think you may see another one tomorrow morning, as it will be another cold start to the day. Around the region today, though, it's crisp, it's sunny, it's bright, a few more clouds the farther south you go, but for most of us, we'll see sunshine. 61 in the city, 58 down the shore and in the Lehigh Valley. Not too bad. Here's the system bringing the cloud cover. Again, you can see from the city on south, just a little bit more cloud cover this morning. It's starting to dissipate a bit as this first wave of low pressure works its way off the eastern seaboard. Second storm is this one. Now, this looks like it's trying to lift up toward us, but high pressure is going to likely keep it suppressed. So tomorrow, I think we'll see more cloud cover. You're going to start to feel more of an east wind pickup tomorrow into Wednesday as well. But it's not until this system all the way up here over the Dakotas drops southward that we will see the chance for some rain in our forecast. That system, though, will also help kick Melissa away from the east coast of the United States, which is, of course, a very good thing. What's not a good thing, Melissa is now a Category 5 hurricane. That happened with the 5 a.m. update this morning. And the latest update has sustained maximum winds at 160 miles per hour. This is moving west, but it's expected to take a jog more toward the north and kind of make a turn, which would put it on a collision course with the coast of Jamaica by tomorrow morning. Likely, this is tomorrow morning, still a Category 5 hurricane making landfall in Jamaica. That will weaken it slightly, but it is still forecast to be a major Category 3 hurricane before it makes landfall overnight tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, a second landfall along the coast of Cuba, tracking right across portions of the Lesser Antilles and then toward Bermuda, could even hit Bermuda. This is going to, again, make impacts in many spots across the Caribbean and the Atlantic, but you can see the path of that storm, the cone of concern, keeps it out to sea away from the eastern seaboard. How much rain are we talking? Let's talk about the rainfall amounts. This may be the biggest impact maker. Over 2 feet of rain in especially the western portion of Jamaica. 2 feet of rain coupled with storm surge flooding will lead to, again, catastrophic inundation, flooding concerns, homes, businesses destroyed. We've got these winds as well, gusts to 130 plus miles per hour. That is devastating wind damage. This is, again, going to be a catastrophic situation for the island of Jamaica. If you have friends, family, hopefully they were able to get out before this comes through. This is going to be, again, the greatest impact starting later tonight and continuing through the day tomorrow, and then it moves up into Cuba by late tomorrow night. The path of Melissa will be driven by a blocking high, which is going to be sitting over the Gulf of Mexico. It is right now, and that's going to steer Melissa a little bit further to the east, and then our next storm system works its way into our area. That's going to bring us some rain, but also help to move Melissa further out to sea. So the next system for us comes in on Thursday. It looks like some pockets of steady rain with this, but that will push Melissa further out to sea and keep it away from being a threat to the east coast of the United States. So that being said, in our area, clouds up over the next couple of days, rain likely Thursday, but as of now, it looks like we will clear out for Halloween on Friday.